Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the Simon Says Stamp November 24 card kit. I had to say that 3 times fast. So what I've done is, this is the box it comes in and came in, but normally I come in like a little paper bag. I've actually just emptied the contents, save a bit of time and all that. So first of all we get a bit of candy, always get candy. so that'll go to the hubster. And what is that? That's a watermelon one. Then we have some twine, and I think this is Simon's own twine, but I will get the little sheet out. Let's do that first. So you will get an inspiration sheet as well as what's in the kit. It always takes me a minute just to find this, but I think this is Simon Says black and white twine. Let's just have a look. And I'm not going to find it. Oh yeah, so this is a new product, and you get it's on like a wooden spool, which is quite cute. Oh sorry, that's a bit close. And it's black and white baker's twine, so very cute, especially for any time of the year. And then we always get a little like gift card for your next order, so that's always lovely. And then we have a metallic, I think this is cotton candy. Yeah, cotton candy metallic envelope and a cotton candy doesn't say. But there's a, oh yes, a cotton candy pre-scored A2 note card. So you get the envelope and there's already a note card pre-scored here for you. You can sort of see it there. So that's quite cute because it's all matching. I think those are new to Simon. We then have a little metal embellishment from Tim Holtz. I believe this is Tim Holtz, and it is the Tim Holtz Ideology Sweets Tag Metal Adornment. Say that 3 times fast. But it just is sweet on. It's very sweet. And then we have the Rainbow Splash, which I think is like a part of Simon Says Stamp. I haven't quite worked that one out, but if anybody knows, please let me know. But this is the like 2D embossing folder, and this is called Twinkling Stars. So it is literally just a whole load of stars, and there's little ones and bigger ones. So that's really cool. Then we have a Simon Says Fanciful Joy. And this has the outline, sort of like a shadow, plus the letters for the word joy. So this is the die that you will get. I like that the letters, although they're cut out individually, it's one die that you would die cut. If that makes sense. So I like how they're doing that now as well. Then we have, let's see, these are, I'm sure these are Prima papers. No, they're not. Craft Consortium, Christmas Market. No, it's not that one. In fact, let's do that one then. Craft Consortium, Christmas Market, 3D decoupage. Decoupage papers. And you also get the adhesive with it. So these little foam pads help you when you're creating your little decoupage scene. So you could use this as one on a card and just jazz it up with some I don't know, like glitter, like clear glitter, that kind of thing, to make the snowy parts sparkle, or on the trees, on the snowman, that sort of thing. And then use the pieces that come with it, so the next base piece plus all the layers with your foam, to create a 3D embellishment for your card, or a project, like a home project, like a decoration piece. Or you could use them all together. So you could almost get 2 for 1 out of 1 sheet. And there are 10 sheets, 5 designs, 2 sheets of each. They're all pre-cut and acid free. So that I love. We got something similar. Did I do this last year? Maybe last year. Year before? Can't remember. Something similar, and I made like a 3D thing to go on the wall. It's a technical term, of course. So So these are, let's see if I can find these now. These are the Prima Marketing 8 double-sided sheets of the Candy Cane Lane 6x6. And these are beautiful. I love them. You can cut those ones up. They're just, I love everything about these papers. They're very vintagey, but very pretty. You can cut those ones up too, for like different like collage papers, like can't think, art journals, that sort of thing. Not just like card making. So there's lots of little ones. You can make these into little Christmas tags. Just, and those are little tags, so you can cut those out. Beautiful, love it. Then we have a piece of, this is Tim Holtz again, I believe, and this is like a craft core on the back. Can't find it again, but I'm sure this is from Tim's, one of his 8x8 pads. And so if you embossed it, because there's craft on the back, if you sanded the top, it would expose the craft. So that's very cool. That's a goldy sort of colour. Then we do have a piece of Nina Solar White in £110, and we have, this is the Simon Rich Red Metallic £90 cardstock, and this is kind of like a it's not a super shiny, it's not a mirror like this one, so you can see how this is much more, although that looks more satiny, but this is not as mirrored a cardstock, if that makes any sense, but very, very cool. And then last but, oh no, second to last, this is an adhesive sheet. So this is one of Simon's adhesive sheets, so you can just stick it on both sides. So you could use this for your die cuts, any of your die cuts, and make it easier, make it easier to run that through and then have it create stickers out of your pieces of die cuts, so that it's easier to stick them to your projects. Last but not least, we have the stamp set, which is the main thing, and I love it. It's got this lovely Christmas stocking and Santa and the deer and the presents, and I think you could make this very cool scene with these guys. It's got some nice corners and borders, and a banner which these sentiments will fit into, a nice big ho ho ho, so you could make that the focal point. And this is called Christmas Cheer, which is also the name of the kit. So that is the kit. Stay tuned and I will be back as always. As I said in the last one, in the last few, I'm still behind, but hey ho, pardon the pun. So until next time guys, and until I can get some inspiration, happy crafting, and I can't believe we're nearly in Christmas. But anyway, happy crafting. Until next time, bye for now.